Welcome everybody and welcome to this video tutorial about the forecast function of Microsoft Excel. Forecasting is used to predict a value starting from an historical record of the same. Therefore, it finds its application in commerce and finance to predict sale and prices, in supply chain to predict the needs of production, consumption, quantities stored in a warehouse, but it has also many other applications. Forecasting can be easily done using the forecast function of Excel or forecast linear for whom is using Excel 2016. This function, given two sets of data, the y, the dependent variable, and the x, the independent variable, plus a known value of x, will return a forecasted value of y using a linear regression. I'm going to show you how to do it in this easy example. From one side, I have the historical record of the oil price as traded on the American Stock Exchange, and on the other side, I have the historical record of any shares price as it was shared on the Italian Stock Exchange. Eni is an oil and gas company, therefore I suppose that its share price is strictly related to the value of oil. So, knowing the oil price this morning, I want to predict how any shares price is going to fluctuate today in the Milan Stock Exchange. All I need to do is just use my forecast function. In my case, it's called previsione because I'm using an Italian version of Excel. And this function is asking me, first of all, the x, so the known value of the independent variable. That's my oil price this morning. Then my known y's, that's the record of any share price for the last month. And now the known x, that's the record of the oil price last month. Just type enter and I have the predicted value of any shares price. I can just replicate this function using the same independent variable but different dependent variable to obtain the higher expected value and the lower one, and therefore the whole fluctuation of any this morning. Now, this function has a limitation. As most of the people could already expect, it can be used just with numerical values. Therefore, what happens if I want to calculate the predicted value of oil tomorrow? Well, with this format, or this date format, I cannot do it. But in my case, I just add an auxiliary column where I just number the days from 1 to 10 to 21. So I can just type in my forecast function again, using as x22, which stands for the 23rd of March, use as dependent variable oil price, as independent variable the number of the day, press enter again, and I have my oil price, predicted oil price for tomorrow. This formula, of course, carries all the uncertainties of predicting a value just using a simple linear regression based on a single independent variable. So I would be sure to make the right and strong assumptions before using it. Anyway, it is really easy and really fast to use, therefore it could be really helpful. Well, this is all you need to know about the Excel forecast function. Thank you for the attention. I hope to be helpful. See you next time.